If you bought one of these 8 cars thinking you got a great deal, this video has uncomfortable news. These are not just bad value cars, these are financial traps that look affordable on the sticker. These cars cost owners $8,000 to $23,000 more than the purchase price when you add up true ownership costs. Number 1 on this list has destroyed more owner finances than almost any other car on the road today. 8th place goes to the car from 2015 to 2018, the BMW 3 Series. It lures buyers with a luxury badge and a tempting used price, then delivers a brutal financial reality check. The main culprit is the timing chain system, a known weak point that can fail anywhere between 80,000 and 120,000 miles. When it lets go, owners face repair bills of $3,000 to $4,500 per visit, often after paying a non-refundable $300 to $500 diagnostic fee just to get a definitive answer from the dealer. Over 5 years, these surprise repairs, combined with repeated shop visits and out-of-pocket diagnostics, can add up to $8,000 to $12,000 more than you budgeted. The problem is well documented in BMW service bulletins and owner lawsuits, but most buyers do not see it coming until the dashboard lights up and the wallet takes the hit. The verdict, what looks like a sensible entry into German luxury, quickly becomes a costly lesson in hidden drivetrain risk. Number 7. The 2014 to 2018 Jeep Cherokee turns a seemingly affordable SUV into a financial ambush because of its notorious ZF9 speed automatic transmission. Owners report catastrophic failures as early as 45,000 miles, with most breakdowns striking before 70,000 miles. When the transmission fails, the repair bill is brutal. Dealer rebuilds routinely cost between $4,000 and $6,500, and it is not uncommon for owners to face this charge more than once. Jeep's belated powertrain warranty extension may look like a safety net, but it often arrives too late, leaving many on the hook for repairs that wipe out any savings from buying used. Over a 5-year span, these failures can stack up to $10,000 in extra loss, far outpacing the typical luxury repair hit. The verdict, what appears to be budget-friendly family transport, can instantly become a wallet-crushing liability, all courtesy of a transmission Jeep knew was flawed. Number 6. The 2015 to 2019 Land Rover Discovery delivers a double blow that most buyers never see coming. The first hit lands when the air suspension collapses, an all-too-common failure that forces owners into $3,000 to $5,000 in repair bills for compressors, valve blocks, and air lines. Just as wallets recover, the second punch arrives. Electrical control modules fail without warning, triggering dashboard errors and immobilizing the vehicle. A replacement electronic control unit runs $2,800 to $3,000, often out of warranty and always at dealer-only prices. But the real financial wrecking ball is depreciation. Over 5 years, Discoveries with documented suspension or electrical issues lose up to 58% of their value, translating to an extra $12,500 in lost resale compared to segment averages. The trap is set by a luxury badge that hides a relentless cycle of mechanical and electrical failures, draining bank accounts and erasing any hope of a break-even sale. The verdict, what starts as a bargain British SUV quickly becomes a one-way ticket to financial regret. Number 5. The 2012 to 2017 Volkswagen Tiguan is the definition of a slow-motion financial sinkhole hiding in plain sight. The biggest hit comes from the DSG transmission, a complex dual-clutch unit that is notorious for mechatronics failures. When it fails, owners face repair bills ranging from $3,500 to $5,500, and it is rarely a one-time event. Volkswagen's own technical bulletins quietly confirm the risk, but most buyers only find out after the car lurches into limp mode and the dealer hands over the estimate. On top of that, the 2.0-liter TSI engine demands regular walnut blast intake cleanings to fight carbon buildup. Each round costs about $590, and many owners end up paying for this service every 18 months. Over a typical 5-year span, these recurring transmission repairs and cleaning fees can snowball to $14,000 in unplanned expense, enough to erase any savings from the low purchase price. The verdict, what looks like a practical German crossover becomes a relentless drain, with small hits that add up to big regret. Number 4. The 2015 to 2019 Cadillac Escalade is the textbook example of a luxury badge masking relentless hidden costs. On the surface, it is just a dressed-up Chevy Tahoe, same basic frame, nearly identical drivetrain. But the Escalade brings a $15,000 5-year ownership penalty over its non-luxury twin, and the main culprit is magnetic ride control. This suspension system is exclusive to the Cadillac badge, and when it fails, something that happens with alarming frequency between 60,000 and 100,000 miles, owners face repair bills from $2,100 to $2,800 per axle every time. These are not parts you can swap at a neighborhood garage. The modules require dealer-only calibration and proprietary fluid, locking owners into premium service rates. Fuel costs add insult to injury. The Escalade's thirst for premium unleaded translates to $3,900 a year just to keep it moving, outpacing the Tahoe by a wide margin. What looks like a luxury bargain quickly turns into a financial hemorrhage, with every mile compounding the loss. The verdict: paying extra for the badge means paying again, year after year, in repairs and at the pump. Number 3. The 2013 to 2018 Ram 1500 Hemi is the classic example of a truck that looks like a bargain, but quietly empties your wallet with every mile. The headline problem is oil consumption. Owners routinely report burning a quart every 1,000 miles, a rate so high it is flagged in NHTSA complaints and shop records across the country. The sources warn piston rings and a cylinder deactivation system called MDS, which fails between 70,000 and 120,000 miles. When it fails, the only fix is a full engine rebuild. Independent shops quote $4,000 to $7,000 per job, but the real sting comes from repeat failures and escalating oil bills. Over 5 years, factoring in the cost of constant top-offs, diagnostics, and at least one major rebuild, owners face an extra $16,000 in unplanned expenses, money that vanishes long before the loan is paid off. The verdict? What starts as an affordable truck becomes a slow-motion financial disaster, with every oil change marking another step toward the inevitable engine teardown. Number 2. The 2016 to 2019 Mercedes GLE is the classic luxury trap disguised as an attainable upgrade. On the used market, these SUVs often look like a deal until the real math starts. Over 5 years, owners spend an average of $23,000 more than if they had chosen a Lexus RX. The biggest hit comes from the air suspension system, a feature that seems premium but is notorious for catastrophic failure once the certified pre-owned warranty expires. When the air springs or valve blocks fail, the repair bill lands between $4,000 and $7,000 per incident, and these are not parts you can swap at a local shop. Dealer-only diagnostics and proprietary tools lock owners into sky-high service fees. Then comes the 9-speed automatic transmission, which develops adaptation failures right after warranty coverage lapses. Each software reflash or valve body repair can run $2,000 to $3,500, and Mercedes service departments are the only ones with the tools to reset the system. The result is that what looks like a smart buy on paper quickly becomes a financial cliff, with every feature engineered to funnel money back to the dealership. The verdict? This is not just a money pit, it is a carefully constructed ownership trap that keeps draining your wallet long after the sale. And finally, in first place, the 2013 to 2018 Range Rover Sport stands as the ultimate wallet wrecker in the used car world. On the surface, this SUV tempts buyers with its luxury badge and a used price that seems almost reasonable. But under the hood, and behind every button, lurks a perfect storm of financial devastation. The headline problem is the air suspension system, which is notorious for collapsing without warning. Each failure sends owners back to the dealer for repairs that regularly cost between $5,500 and $8,000 per visit. But the pain doesn't stop there. Electrical gremlins are rampant. Control modules, infotainment units, and keyless entry systems fail with alarming frequency, each demanding another round of 4-figure invoices. Owners report being trapped in a cycle of repeated breakdowns, with some spending more on repairs over 5 years than they did on the vehicle itself. Depreciation is relentless. Over a 5-year span, the Range Rover Sport can lose $30,000 or more in value, often double the rate of mainstream SUVs. Combine that with annual maintenance and surprise repairs, and the total 5-year ownership cost lands between $85,000 and $110,000, even for models bought used at a discount. One documented case shows a buyer who picked up a 2015 Sport for $39,000, only to spend an additional $34,000 on repairs and maintenance over the next 4 years. The manufacturer's certified pre-owned program offers little relief, as most major failures occur just outside warranty coverage, locking owners into dealer-only diagnostics and proprietary parts. The verdict is clear. What looks like an attainable luxury upgrade is, in reality, a relentless financial sinkhole engineered to extract every spare dollar. The Range Rover Sport doesn't just break the bank, it erases it, leaving owners with a vehicle worth a fraction of what they paid and a stack of invoices that never seems to stop growing. Across all 8 cars, one reality stands out. Sticker price is just bait. The real cost is buried in relentless repairs, catastrophic depreciation, and parts priced to punish. In today's used market, image sells. Ownership destroys. For buyers, the real risk is what manufacturers never put on the window sticker: